Welcome back, Tesla owners. Here's another exciting product review from the Tesery channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing and demonstrating in details of these Tesla Model Y hubcaps from Tesery. The hubcaps are designed to enhance the look of your Tesla Model Y, and I'll show how they can transform your driving experience. So, let's drive in. Today we're taking a closer look at the hubcaps from Tesery. This stylish accessory is designed to change the look of your Tesla while protecting your wheels from damage. It's designed for the 20-inch induction wheels of the Tesla Model Y. Next, I'll show you how to install them. Now, one of the things I will show you the package from Tesery is that the kit comes with this soft foam that you can install around the wheel inside, so that it doesn't make a sound. It comes with a nice accessory. The whole kit comes with a roll of 3 meters foam strips that can be adhered, which reduces the sound and makes sure it fits snugly. Even better, the hubcaps had the Tesla logo to personalize your vehicle even more. Let's get into the installation process. Installing the hubcaps is so easy. I usually use a sponge strip with 3 meters tape for extra hold before installing. Let's quickly apply the double-sided tape. Installed around the wheel steel inside the car. This reduces sound and helps ensure it's a tight fit. If you need to remove the original cover, that's pretty easy. Just using a tool to pull it outward, which is a little crazy. We just need to make sure we get them aligned and use the snaps to secure them to the hub. It can be installed in less than a few minutes without any specialized tools. Then tap gently to get the hubcap to fit snugly against the hub. This is a 3 meters tape cover. Let's go ahead and peel off the double-sided tape and take a quick look at the cover. Inside the package is either a silver or red logo. You can choose your favorite color. I'm just going to stick it on, and it doesn't really matter what direction I stick it because the wheels will spin. It has a protective film on it, and then we peel it off. Another thing I'll point out, good wheel covers will go all the way up to the wheel, like this. I must say that wheel covers are definitely a great option for Tesla owners looking to personalize their vehicle and optimize performance. If you are interested in upgrading your Tesla, you can purchase them from the Tesery. You can also find link of the hubcap in the description below the video. You can also use discount code Juliet10 to get 10% off. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tesery channel for more exciting Tesla mods accessories.